You're sitting on a time bomb. The question is, when will it go off? And what happens then? You never know when the lining of any one of your furnaces could fail and put lives at risk and halt production. Kaboom! And even if you reline your furnaces regularly, you're blowing up a good chunk of your bottom line. First, let's talk about the kaboom. If there's a severe injury, it'll cost you an average of $500,000. A fatality is $1 million plus. The OSHA investigation and repair work will shut down the equipment for an average of 30 days. Do you think your business could survive a 30-day shutdown? Even a simple runout could put a serious hurting on your profits. It's not just lost production and repair. You also face the penalties for being late. Worse, you lose your customers' trust and could even lose contracts. Even if you change out your linings regularly, you could still be sabotaging your profits in a big way. Most operators admit replacing their lining 30 to 50% too early. Look, it's understandable. Furnace linings aren't like a gas gauge in a car. You can't just glance over and see exactly how much lining you have left, right? Now you can. With the Saveway system, which works with coreless, channel, cupola, smelter, and arc furnaces, we help you safely extend the life of your lining. Statistically speaking, our customers gain 37% or more increase in the number of heats they can produce per lining. More uptime and more production means a boost to your bottom line. You start paying back the money you spent on your Saveway system almost immediately. And soon, you'll have increased profits. With the Saveway system, you know exactly when linings need to be replaced. No more wasting money on linings or shutting down when you don't need to. Saveway integrates seamlessly with your current setup. You don't need to hire any new personnel or add to the footprint of your plant. In fact, with turnover so common with most companies, this will protect you if you bring in new personnel. We will work with you every step of the way to minimize downtime during installation. Now, before you bring up that you have a ground leak sensor, consider that this is 1940s technology. They just added a digital readout. Understand this. By the time it sounds the alarm, it's the last point before a failure, and it's not enough. A furnace explosion can and will occur sooner than you think if you don't have an exact understanding of your lining. By relying only on a ground leak sensor, you now put your workers at risk of serious injury and possibly death. It doesn't have to be this way anymore. Work with us, and we will work with you. Saveway is here to improve your lining life, improve production numbers, and keep your facility and workers safe. Listen to the experts. Our team will give you constant support and help you understand your furnaces better than you ever have before. From day one, you will have a history of your furnace, the number of heats you are capable of, and the length of your campaigns. Not to mention, we have the capability to answer your questions immediately with our interactive Team Viewer software. Our goal is to make you more productive and safe as a company because there is nothing more valuable than your worker. And our system ensures that runouts and furnace explosions will not happen. Right away, you will see improvement with your lining and add to the production of your company. Ask yourself this: how well do you know the maximum heat your furnace can get before it's time to reline? Are you willing to risk your workers' lives not knowing this information? If you're ready to increase production while increasing safety, it's time to work with Saveway.